Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can beat the maze room inside the Pirate Cove in Fish It Roblox. So the Pirate Cove maze room is confusing for players, but I found the fastest and easiest way to beat the maze room. So what you need to do in here, just first go inside the maze room, and I suggest you use the road skin with lighting effect like this, and then you can just do it like this. Zoom out your camera, then you can just find a way in here. It will easier for you to use this zoom out angle to find the right path. So just follow the maze in here. Until you find the way. And if you see this little passage, that means you are close. You can just follow the path in here until you see another little passage, and you'll see the candles. That means you are close to the secret room. You can just follow here, and when you see this, you can just go right, and you'll see this new location, Pirate Treasure Room. So you guys can see there are lots of players in here. So there might be a new quest in this room. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the buttons.